This is the first look at Pop! OS Cosmic Desktop Alpha 4, and we are just a few months away from the first release of the Cosmic Desktop. As we know, System 76 has been working on a brand new desktop environment for quite some time, built using the Rust programming language. This is an independent desktop environment similar to GNOME and KDE Plasma, offering a fresh experience for Linux users. A few weeks ago, System 76 released Cosmic Alpha 3. With each alpha release of Cosmic, they have addressed many issues, resolved bugs, and improved the user interface, and the Alpha 4 is no exception. In this video, we are going to address the key features of Cosmic Desktop Alpha 4. Now, as of now, you can try Alpha 4 by installing Pop! OS 2404, or you can install it on your favorite distro such as Fedora, Arch, NixOS, OpenSUSE, and much more. Now, as you can see, I have installed the Pop! OS 2404 LTS, which comes with Cosmic Alpha 4. Now, let's dive into the Cosmic settings. In Alpha 4, Settings application has received several enhancements. The region and language settings have been added, allowing you to select your preferred language and formatting for date, time, and numbers used by Cosmic. Also, a new settings page has been added under System and Account Settings. You can now set default applications for various purposes, such as preferred browser, file manager, music and video players, image viewer, and calendar. This page features drop-down menu for selecting default applications. For instance, you can choose your preferred browser as the default. Now, this time, the implementation of power management settings for your display is fully functional. In power and battery settings, you can configure how long the screen remains on when idle and set independent suspend durations for when your system is plugged in versus running on battery power. This update also brings a new accessibility applet, which includes a toggle for turning screen recorder support on or off. Screen reading now works with Cosmic settings, Firefox, and GNOME applications. Now, as of now, the testing is focused on Cosmic settings, with plans to extend the support for Cosmic apps when it's ready. In Alpha 3, the Cosmic App Store was renamed as Cosmic Store. This is the default app store for Cosmic Desktop, where you can download GUI applications from both the default repository and FlatHub. In Alpha 4, Cosmic Store received some refinements. While performing software updates or app installs, you can click on Details in the bottom left corner to open a context menu where you can view a list of all in progress and completed tasks. This contextual progress menu has also extended to Cosmic files, enabling live progress tracking when copying and pasting files between the devices. Alpha 4 also brings a new option for Cosmic Desktop. If your display supports higher refresh rates, variable refresh rate allows the display to match the frame rate of image source, such as games, preventing from screen tearing. Now, this feature is available in the Cosmic Compositor and Display settings. You can set to either always or automatic, which enables the feature for full screen content. This update brings a new application called Cosmic Media Player. It's a Rust-based media player currently under development. However, you can install it by running this command. Now, by default, it cannot play the codecs like MOV, MKV, or AVI. but you can install the extra codecs by running this command. Once you're done setting up these codecs, you can apply any video format. And lastly, this update brings several improvements to the tiling windows. For example, the tiling layouts readjust when display settings are changed. All windows adapt seamlessly to display scaling without any issues. Apart from these changes, Alpha 4 brings plenty of performance improvements, bug fixes, and many tweaks to improve the user experience. Now, according to the Pop! OS community on Reddit, the stable release of Pop! OS 24.04 LTS is expected to be released in March next year. Until then, if you can't wait to try out the Cosmic Desktop, you can download and install Pop! OS 24.04 right now. And that's pretty much it. What do you guys think about the Alpha 4? Let me know in the comments section down below. If you have any questions or queries, do post them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.